Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi on Sunday briefed Iranian Foreign Minister Javad Zarif on Pakistan's diplomatic outreach to help lift the sanctions against the country so it could fight the coronavirus pandemic. According to a press release issued by the Foreign Office, Qureshi in a telephonic conversation with Zarif reiterated the earlier call made by Prime Minister Imran Khan to lift sanctions against Iran so it may utilize its resources to save precious human lives. In the conversation, Qureshi also conveyed his deep concern and sorrow over the loss of lives in the ongoing pandemic. The foreign minister also commended the Iranian government and the people for valiantly combating the COVID-19 global pandemic. Pakistan's top diplomat told his Iranian counterpart that the pandemic was one of the greatest challenges to confront humanity in a century. Successfully overcoming it necessitated both compassion and innovation, Qureshi told Zarif. He also apprised his Iranian counterpart of Pakistan's efforts to contain the pandemic. Zarif appreciated Pakistan's reaffirmation of support and solidarity and call to lift sanctions on Iran. He also informed the Pakistani foreign minister that under the instructions of Iran President Hassan Rouhani, 2 hospitals have been allocated for pilgrims from Pakistan and other countries. The 2 foreign ministers underlined that Pakistan and Iran were not only close neighbors but brotherly countries that had stood by each other through difficult times. The 2 leaders agreed to stay in close contact. Qureshi also had a telephone conversation with his Nepali counterpart Pradeep Kumar Gyawali and held detailed discussions on the situation arising from the spread of COVID-19. The 2 discussed ways to enhance cooperation to combat the threat posed by the pandemic. According to the FO, the 2 leaders also addressed the challenges faced by regional states to fight the pandemic. Qureshi reiterated Pakistan's readiness to host the SAARC Health Ministers Conference and suggested that a video conference be organized due to the prevailing global health emergency. Foreign Minister Qureshi stated that Pakistan considered SAARC an important platform for regional cooperation. He also appreciated Nepal's leadership role in steering the SAARC process forward despite the many odds. The 2 ministers agreed on the need to work closely to collectively fight common challenges.